What is pipeline
Okay.
procurement? Generally for the materials like water pipeline and even power supply or gas pipeline, anything if it is available as per the usage, we pay payment to the vendor. Okay, it is kind of a consignment. Only difference is like in pipeline procurement, we don't have to create any purchase order. Okay, pipeline procurement we have mainly for the process of first of all you have to create a pipeline material. In that pipeline material, we have a
Okay.
standard material type called PIPE, the pipeline material we need to create. And we don't maintain any stock, we don't do any goods receipt and all, right? That's why how much quantity you have used, that much quantity we have to do the goods issue with 201P. The movement type is 201 and the special stock indicator P. Once we do the goods issue for example 100 liters we have done the goods issue, then immediately we need to do the settlement MRKO. How we do the
Yeah.
settlement for consignment, in the same way we do the settlement for pipeline settlement for that 100 quantity. After that we do the payment. Means here only three steps will be there. One is the goods issue with 201P and the settlement with MRKO and then payment. This is about the pipeline procurement.
Okay.
It looks like a consignment, but only in case of consignment we do the PO and we do the what you call uh, goods receipt with 101K, all
Good
those
receipt.
things we
Yeah,
do
not
that.
1K.
But here,
Transfer posting. Yeah.
yeah, but here we do the directly with 201P, and we need to maintain that what you call material master with pipe and info record and all are we have to maintain it. That comes under the master data.